What's up, Tech fam? Bane here, and back again with another first look at what might just surprise you today. Today we're diving into the Tozo NC20 Pro. Now, Tozo's been making waves in the budget audio space, but do these live up to the hype? Let's find out. Alright, first things first, the unboxing experience. Pretty standard Tozo affair. You get the earbuds, the charging case, and a few different ear tips and a USB cable. Now let's talk about the earbuds. They have a stem design, which I know some people love and some people hate. Personally, I don't mind it. The fit, straight out of the box, was actually pretty good. They felt secure, not too intrusive, and through some minor testing, I've had no issues with them falling out. But let's be real, with the earbuds, it all comes down to sound, right? And my first impressions here were surprisingly good. I threw on some of my usual test tracks, and for the price point, the sound quality is genuinely impressive. We've got massive 12mm dynamic drivers pushing audio, which gives the bass a nice punch without feeling muddy. The mids are clear and the highs are present. It's a great balanced sound profile. And honestly, through the app, there's tons of different user profiles that have been uploaded so you can take advantage of what people have tweaked, or you can customize it yourself. And again, for the price point, these things for everyday listening and immersion, these deliver. Now, one of the standout features that makes this feel more premium is the customization through the Tozo app. You get the standard EQ controls with over 30 preset modes, but you can also change the wallpaper in the app to truly personalize your experience. It's a small thing, I know, but those little touches just make the product feel more yours. It shows Tozo is thinking about the user experience beyond just the core functionality. Okay, so here's the real question, right? Why should you pick up these inexpensive earbuds? It's because of the feature list that they pack into these NC20 Pros makes no sense for the price. We're talking about features that normally are reserved for triple the cost. First, high-res support with LDAC. That means that these can handle high-definition audio for studio-quality sound. You're getting the fidelity here that is simply unmatched in the budget segment. Second, durability is insane. We're talking about IPX8 water resistance rating. That means rain, sweat, quick dips are no problem. You can take these anywhere. Finally, let's talk about power. The battery life is massive, up to 80 hours of total playtime with the charging case. You've also got hybrid adaptive noise cancellation that tunes itself for your environment, spatial audio for immersive movies and gaming, and yes, wireless charging. Tozo didn't cut any corners, and they created a genuinely feature-rich product for the masses. So, my first impressions of the Tozo NC20 Pro. Color me impressed. For the price, you can get surprisingly good sound, flagship level durability and battery life, and smart customization. Is it the new budget king? It's definitely a strong contender, and I'm excited to keep on trying these out as I get to experience this more. What do you think? Have you tried the Tozo NC20 Pros? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos like this. Until then, stay techie. Oh, and if you want to experience these features for yourself, check out the link in the video description and find the latest deals and pick up a pair for yourself.